Really? I needed to.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
Dude, you're 14 years old. Grow up. Stop playing with a charging box. What are you doing?
Is the music broken you? It's like...
Get off of him! Get off of him! Get off of him! Get off of him! He's ow! Rising! Hey! Careful! Hey! Gigi! Gigi! Stop, Gigi!
That's good. Hey, hold on. What's that? That Dr. Pepper? That's that Dr. Pepper.
Okay. Don't do it. Do not do it. Don't. I swear to God. That's right. You put it back. Thank you.
What do you see? What are you doing?
Oh!
Okay. Appreciate these little snacks you provide. Nah, come on. Nah, bruh. Nah, bruh. Get that out of here, man. I ain't with the beneficial nutrients out here. You got tricks up your sleeve? See, now we cooking with grease, man. You try to pull up with the... Nah, bruh. Nah, bruh.
My cat's face when we bring home another cat.
Holy shit. Get the cat.
Smack my ass like the drum.
Mi hermana tiene razón. Le huelen las patitas a Chetos.
En Argentina quedó campeón.
When a kitty drinks too much milk.
What the fuck? Walter, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, you want to go? You want to go for a walk? Okay, come on, baby. Let's go for a walk.
You know why dogs are better than cats? Because a cat will try to bite your hand off if you accidentally touch it in the exact wrong spot. But you could smack a dog in the nose and they're like, do you want to play frisbee?
show me someone that lives in your house rent-free?
FaceTiming Grandma to tell her that I only got 8 treats today, but the bag says I can have 10.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?